boy. Okay, we're going to work Buck now, and we're also going to see how he's doing on his tug today. He doesn't like this too much. This is the one. Good boy! That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Buck! Heel! Good boy! Good heel! Good boy! Yep! Good heel! Good boy! That's a good boy! Good boy! Stay. Down. Up. Heel. Stay. You're all distracted with the puppies there. Yeah. Can't keep crawling like that, so I'm going to have to have better control when I give him the down command next time. Sit. Good boy. Down. Sit. Butt. Heel. Good boy. Good boy. Down. Good down. Stay. This is a hard one for him. Down, stay. So right now I'm staying on the leash so I can correct him right away. Good stay. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Good sit. Good. Heel. Good heel. Good boy. Good heel. Good boy. Good heel. Stay. Good stay. Okay, he started to anticipate what the next command is, so I'm going to start switching it up. I'm not going to correct him for that, because I want him to learn that good. It's not a bad thing. He has to learn to do it when I tell him to. So he's not inner-directed and starts to figure things out on his own. Sit. Good sit. Good boy. Down. Sit. Butt. Heel. Down. Stay. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Good boy. He shows enthusiasm at first, and then he loses. He's starting to get better and better, but what happens with dogs when you start them, when you don't start them at 7, 8 weeks old, 9 weeks old, then they do show interest at first, if they have the prey drive. He's got it. It's just not real prey. And we haven't developed his chase reflex where he chases everything that moves. So he's in a real prey mode. If it was real prey, he would be chasing it. But I'm trying to get it in motion, okay? And that's not working. See? Good boy. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's a good boy. Good boy. That's a boy. Bring it here. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. So, probably in his case, the ball is the best thing to get him his chase reflex rolling. That's a boy, good boy. Right, heel. Good boy. Stay. Heel. Good heel. Good boy. Good boy. Good heel. Yes. Good boy. Down. Good down. Good boy. Stay. My tendency is to want to call him to me back there, but because part of the form is this one here, sit, I want to make sure that's harder than coming to me under these circumstances, so I want to come back and do that. Now, I'm going to start to call him to me once he gets better at the stay, but you never sequence the recall following the stay when you're initially training a dog, because they start to anticipate the next command and they never do good, solid stays. But, heel. Now, right now, what I'm doing is when I call him to me, I'm running backwards to trigger him to come around me. I'm running backwards and forward. I exaggerate my motion. Eventually, stay. All I'm going to do is take one step back and 2 steps forward. And then eventually, it gets to the point where I don't have to move at all. Okay? But, heel. Good heel, good boy. But, heel. Down. Eventually down means stay, because we're using a release word. So he has to maintain each command until we give him his release word. Sit. Good sit, good boy. Good sit, good boy. Girl, go, stay. That's a girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Go. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. See, Lucky, Lucky. That's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, heel. Good heel. Good girl. Hey, heel. Stay. Down. She does a lot better on that. She's real excited now because I've played with her. Sit. Hey. Heel. Stay. Down. Good down. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Down. Good down. Sit. Stay. Heel. Down. Good down. Good girl. Stay. Sit. Stay. Heel. Stay. Go. Girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Sit. Go. Good. Yeah. Sit. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Let me check her teeth out. Her mouth seems a little sore. Good girl. Yeah. Okay. She lost two of her front teeth, and it's red in the socket, so her mouth is sore. And her permanent, two of her four front incisors are coming in. And good girl. Okay, you've got to accept me looking at her mouth. Good girl. That's a good girl. Okay. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Let's see if we can get them all playing a little tug with each other. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy. Good boy. That's a boy. Good boy. That's a boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. All right. He does better when he's competitive with the other dogs. So that's the key, part of the key to developing his. Letting him engage in front of the other puppies so that we can get it exaggerated and develop. Good boy. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. The boxer puppy's been coming since she was 7 weeks old, so she's like Sadie. She's got real good prey drive, and it's overriding the distractions right now. Those being the shepherds being the distractions. Good girl. Out. Out. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Up. Sit. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.